Irish Wessex Blades. They have one more available. One of my tweaked MOD survival knives from J. Adams. So what I've done is given it a nice even bevel. Okay. So the tips looks a lot better than when they come out of the factory, and I've put some gentle jimping on a very gentle little scoop there where the thumb goes on top. I've took the nasty edge off and I've ground down the top guard. The handle is far smoother, and even inside where the rivets go, it's not far more comfortable on your hands. So that is available if you want to email me at the email address underneath. There is a custom leather sheath, and then the other thing that happens is with the genuine MOD, the retention strap is up here, so the knife goes just right to the top. So obviously with only most of the guard left on that side, the very close fitting strap, they're murder tight when I finished them, so even in years to come with the stretch of the leather, it'll still retain it neatly there, so there's no real play in the knife moving up and down and exposing the blade edge. The stitching goes through 2 welts. Okay, so that's really thick and protective. The stitching goes right through, and just for the sake of it, I've got some really nice rivets as well if you wanted to put a little bit of cordage or something on there. Veg tan, hand dyed, treated, natural wax finish, and it's all sealed on the edge there with really good protection so that the water doesn't egress in. So that one is available. I've got some largest blades to do over the next few weeks. One for Ralph, that's the largest one, so it's going to be like a bill hooky outdoor blade to do, a Golok to service as it was. I'll get in contact with the chap for that one, but just to let you know that this double stitched, lot stitched Wessex blade, tweaked J. Abrams, did start J. Adams MOD survivor knife is available. If you want to email me. There's a new procedure for postage, and so due to GDPR, I'll also have to share your email, so when I get picked up by the post office, they then email you forward. So I'll let you know, whoever orders and gets this one, your email, and then they ping you when it arrives in order to do the age check when you pick it up. So thanks for joining me again. This is the last one. 6 Blades 8.